Hey guys, this is Cole, doing my video tutorial on question 7 in the practice quiz. So first off, we start with Diaz Company owns a machine that costs $126,900 and has accumulated depreciation of $93,500. So you got to prepare a few entries for the disposal or sale of the machine. So the first one is recording the disposal of the machine receiving nothing in return. So factoring in accumulated depreciation of 93,500 from up here, you'll put that on the debit side, and then you have to also factor in the loss on the disposal of the machine. So to get that number, you can take 126,900 and subtract 93,500 to get the value factoring in that depreciation. And then for the credit side, you will select machine, and you will credit it $126,900 from up here. And that is the first entry. For the second entry, you're recording the sale of it for $15,700. So the first thing you can do, very easy, you just select cash for $15,700 on the debit side for selling it. Same thing with the last one for recording the depreciation, $93,500 on the debit side. And then you have to factor in the loss on the sale of the machine. So to get that, you will add these two together. So 15,700 plus 93,500 will give you a number that you subtract from 126,900. And that will give you the value for the last debit here on the loss on the sale of the machine. And then simple for the last credit, it's the machine price at 126,900 from up here. All right, for the third one, you record the sale of the machine for a different amount for 33,400. First thing, easy, 33,400 on the debit side under cash. Second thing you will have is accumulated depreciation again, 93,500 from up here. And then the last thing is the machine. The machine price up here, 126,900. And this all adds up nicely, the debits and credits to this value here. So you don't need anything else. And lastly, we have recording the sale of the machine for $41,600 cash. So the first thing, obvious, you pick cash, and on the debit side, $41,600, like it tells you here. The second thing, accumulated depreciation for the machine again, 93,500 from up here. And then you have to factor in the gain on the sale of the machine. So to get that, you add these two together and then subtract this number here, 126,900, and you'll end up with 8,200. So that's what you gained on the sale of the machine, and that is going to be on the credit side. And the last thing, as always, is the machine, valued at 126,900 under credit. And then after this, you can check your work and see that it is all correct. And that is everything for this problem number 7 in the practice quiz.